Model, 63-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI short wheelbase, needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 181,234. Engine, 2,198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs evenly. Turbo needs replacing as the core is snapped. Engine sounds fantastic. Straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.